us where we're going then.
Down,
You have to speak up.
we're going down Dornie on a windy day. We're going to go through a tunnel.
What's over there?
That's the castle. And we will be showing
Stop it. What's this place called? You have to speak up.
This is the tunnel, guys. So, once you saw a dead bird here, so we're going to be doing echoes. Let's go. Echo, 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 echo. And today, guys, we're going to learn all about those letters. Okay, up there. And also say, so guys, we're nearly at the end of the tunnel. So this was some dead bird right here. And you see, you can buy tons of hiking boots from here, waterproof jackets and woolly hats. Just turn back. So guys, now we're on the path of the stuff, and Uchi and me are gonna wait for Dad to come. So see you in the car. No, yeah, see you in the car. No, Mummy.
You're going to say, do your...
Mummy, I have to do one more thing. I'm not called Archie, I'm a pirate, and I'm called Mr. Can.
Right.
I'm called Flash.